ma'am?
Lily.
Lily. Ma'am Lily, ano naman ang binili mo ngayong first day ng ating 3-day sale?
Headset and then laptop.
Wow, akala ko laptop, ma'am eh. At dahil sinuportahan ng SMCD Bigutan, bibigyan ka namin ng medyo malaking chopsticks. And sa loob ng 30 seconds, you have to give me one golden egg. Okay, tas whatever is inside that egg, sa'yo na, ma'am. Okay? Okay, timer starts now. Let's go, ma'am. You can do it, ma'am. Last 20 seconds. Yun. At tingnan natin, ano ba ang laman ng iyong golden egg? Sige, ma'am, ikaw na ang magbasa.
Congratulations, you won Dairy Queen Health